Hi everybody, this is Miss Amanda from McMath Library, part of the Central Arkansas Library System, and I'm back today with another round of super simple snacks. Today we are going to be making yogurt parfaits. There's lots of different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you 3 of my favorites, and then you can try these or experiment with your own at home. What we're going to need today is plain low-fat yogurt. You can also use plain Greek yogurt if you want. Or if you like your parfaits a little bit sweeter, you can use vanilla flavored yogurt. That usually has some extra sugars added in. We're also going to use some fruit. I have peaches here, some frozen berries, and then some other toppings. I have some granola, some Teddy Grahams, and for a dessert type parfait, I have some sprinkles. We also have some glass jars. You can use any kind of container that you like for these parfaits, but I like the glass jars because you can see the layers, and being able to see all of the different layers of the parfait is half the fun, in my opinion. I also like putting mine in mason jars because they have a lid, and I don't always want to eat them right away, so this way I can put them in the fridge and keep them for a couple of hours or a couple of days. The first thing you want to do when you're making your parfait is go ahead and get your yogurt out. And I like to give mine a little bit of a stir. It helps to smooth out the texture, make it a little bit creamier, and make it a little bit easier to spoon into the container that you're using to build your parfait. The first one that I'm going to show you is a berry granola parfait. I'm going to take some yogurt and spoon it into the bottom of one of my jars. Just enough to cover the bottom here. And then I am going to take a spoon and put a few berries into my jar. I'm using a frozen berry mix, but you can use whatever berries are your favorite. If you're using a frozen berry mix and you want to eat your parfait right away, you might want to let these thaw a little bit or thaw them in some cool water. If you're going to let them sit in the fridge for a little while, they'll thaw out just fine in the refrigerator. Okay, so now I have yogurt and a layer of berries. Now I'm going to add a little bit more yogurt. And I'm going to add some granola on top of that. When you make your parfait, most of your parfait will be yogurt. And then when you add your toppings, you want to add a layer that is just thick enough that you can see it in between the layers of yogurt. So you can see a couple of berries peeking through. You can see a little bit of granola. I'm going to add some more yogurt. Top with a few more berries. Lost one there. And a last sprinkle of granola over the top with those berries. So I've got one parfait here, berry and yogurt and granola. I'm going to put the lid on that one and set it off to the side. The next one that I will show you is a peach granola parfait. With this one, it's pretty similar to the berry. I'm going to put my yogurt in first. I'm going to put a very generous layer of canned peaches in fruit juice into the middle here. the fruit juice, allowing some of the extra fruit juice to get into the parfait. And I am doing that because it will help sweeten it. It will make your yogurt a little more thin and a little more runny, but that's okay. The flavor from the juice is worth it. It's delicious. And then I'm going to top with a little bit more yogurt. Smooth it out a little bit. And this time I'm just going to put a sprinkle of granola across the top. So here we have our stripes of peach and yogurt with a little bit of granola on top. I'm going to put the lid on that one and set it off to the side as well. The last parfait that I will show you is more of a dessert than a snack, but it is a fun way to have yogurt for a dessert. Once again, you'll start with a little bit of yogurt in the bottom of the jar, and this time we're going to layer in some Teddy Grahams, or you could do crushed graham cracker pieces if you don't have Teddy Grahams. So there's the yogurt. I'll shake in a few Teddy Grahams. Add a little bit more yogurt. Add a few more Teddy Grahams. Top with a little more yogurt. And add a few sprinkles on the top. Not many, just a few. For some extra color and fun. So there's the Teddy Graham parfait with a few sprinkles on top. And you can see that even though these parfaits are meant to have beautiful layers in them, sometimes just the way that they come together, your layers hide a little bit. And that's nothing to worry about. They'll still taste delicious. And you can also tell your younger children that you're going on a special dig or a treasure hunt to discover what's inside your yogurt today that's going to make it taste so delicious. So I hope that you get to enjoy these at home, whether you make them like a dessert, whether you do them with berries and granola, or whether you make them with some canned fruit and whatever topping you choose. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.